Okay, everybody, we're back. Okay, so I went ahead and I cleaned up the pipe that had a leak, and let me see if I can point it out again. So there's a leak in this bend right about here, right there, and right there. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and solder that, and hopefully there aren't any more leaks anywhere else, but that's all I could find. And so we'll see. I'm going to place a couple of these metal L's that I have just kind of laying around as a blocking plate, so when I do hit it with the torch, and I'm going to do this with a since it's such a small area, I'll do this with my mini torch here, and I'm just going to get in there, heat it up, and put some solder on it, and we'll see. I didn't want to try and take the whole thing apart and remove the compressor and have to rebraze everything. So, see if I can get in back there, small hands and all that jazz, to fix that. And once I do, we'll do a let it sit for a little while and do a vacuum test, see if it holds. And if it does, we'll recharge the system. Okay. We'll be back.